Hey guys, this is Tim with Mountain Lake Card and Gaming. Welcome back to another video here in our 12 Days of Packsmas series. Today we got a short one. We just got 4 little packs. Tops update. So, we'll make it short and sweet. Let's see what we got here. Now, these packs have been really good to us, so don't discount it just because we're not doing a ton of them. They're going to be awesome here. So let me move these back. Sam Hilliard, Roughing It Odor, Ramos, rookie, Rowdy Tellez, we got a retail blue of him, Josh Winder, Adam Engel, Suarez, Bryson Stott, debut, Trevor Story, Corey Seager. All right, and what's behind this Miguel Castro here? Anything? Let's see, what we got? Montero. Rookie. Now, doesn't look like I got anything. Luke Mail and then the Bryson Stott. So, that pack, not so great. We got 3 more to make it work, though. Let's see here. Right, second pack. It'd be nice if the bottom would let go a little nicer. All right. Gary Sanchez. Ethan Roberts, rookie. There's a Derek Hill. Eric Fetty, Matt Beatty, Brandon Marsh, rookie. Ramon Arias. Austin Nola, pack flip. JP Fireisen. There's Alec Thomas. Taylor Hearn. So we got an Aaron Judge there. Dansby Swanson All-Star Game, and then CJ Abrams Stars MLB. So we'll sleeve the Aaron Judge, just because there haven't been many things to sleeve so far. So, Aaron, you get yourself a sleeve. All right, here we go. Pack 3. Pack 3. Danny Mendick, Donovan Walton, Ramos, rookie debut. Rich Hill, Jock Peterson, Bautista, Matt Olson. Garrett Stubbs, Joe Perez, Jesus Sanchez, Bryson Stott, true rookie. Odorizzi. So O'Neill Cruz, Stars MLB, and we look like we have a gold Alex Colomb. That's out of 2022. Cool. I like those numbered gold parallels. Those are nice. And so we'll sleeve that. We'll also sleeve the O'Neill Cruz. Why not? Well, short video. We'll sleeve the goodies. And 4th pack. Coming up here in just a second. Last pack mojo for today. See if we can get some good stuff. I think the answer is we got to pull this first. There we go. That's it. Okay. All right. Edward Cabrera, rookie debut. Taylor Rogers. Joey Wentz, Jordan Luplow, Stephen Kwan, that goes in the PC. My first Kwan for the day. Tyler Wade, Pache, Alcala, Michael Pineda, Adrianza, Connor Joe. Oh, we got a blue Oscar Mercado for the Tribe. That's cool. And then a Lodolo Generation Now. And a Jaron Duran. Those both there, and we'll sleeve the Mercado. Alright, retail blue card. We got the numbered to 2022, and we got the 87 throwback of Aaron Judge. So, all things considered, not bad. Alright, y'all, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.